All right, it's Eric with Casual Car Talk again. We're doing a little cheap, easy mod on the Fiesta. We're going to see if it looks good. If it doesn't, we'll revert it back. But the little shark fin back there, I've always been a little annoyed by the antenna. I found this on, God, I think it was eBay for like 20 bucks. I'll put a link in. But the idea is instead of pulling the headliner out and actually putting in a true shark fin receiver, I exclusively use Spotify for all my music and everything. I never use the radio anymore. I don't like ads and crap, so... since I really never use it anymore, I'm just going to unthread this, little receiver antenna here, and then we're just going to put this right over the top, and it comes with a little 3M little stick-on gasket sort of dealie that will adhere it onto the roof. And so we'll show you how to do that in just a sec. So step one is we're just going to unscrew this. So this just comes right off. Super easy. Then I'm going to clean the hood really well so this sticks on good. But the overall point is it should fit right over the top of this. And I think we can break out this plastic piece right here so that it actually fits. But we'll do some finagling and we'll show you how that goes on. A little plastic piece out of there and the little tabs. You can file them down a little bit, which I think I will before I actually put it on and adhere it. But now you can see, so the 3M piece goes right on here, super easy. So I'm not really gonna walk through all that because it's pretty self-explanatory, but this snaps right on top here. And the nice part of it is we went and checked from the front. So once we adhere that on there, it should stick down real nice. And it doesn't really have a lot of play in it, so you don't have to mess around with whether it's straight or not because it sticks right over the existing one. And overall, I mean, it's an actual shark fin, so it looks a little bit better. It's kind of hard to see. But, you know, to each their own. It's a cheap little mod, and like I said, I'm not using my radio, so I'm not really too worried about it. And I just don't want to mess with it. Now this piece right here sticks on the inside of this, and it's basically acting like a little antenna extension.
Take the nut off and just screw it in.
Well, I think it's a spacer. The nut is on there to act as a spacer so you don't over screw into the existing piece. And then this acts as a little extender for your antenna. So then that'll just tuck up into here. Be careful with it, you know, make sure you don't break it or anything. But yeah, pretty easy install. And for whatever it costs, I think it's like 20 bucks. I'll link it in the description of the video from eBay. But yeah, just figured I'd give it a shot because I'm lazy and I like doing little fun little mods to make it look different. So, all right, it's stuck back on. It actually looks pretty good. Not gonna lie, for cheap, I'm definitely digging it. Try to get a better view here. You can't even see it from over here, but bad lighting. But yeah, it looks good. Kind of matches the whole scheme I'm going for on the car, you know. But yeah, for cheap, definitely liking it. And yeah, it's just 3M sticks on, so if you ever want to take it off, you take it off. Easy friggin' mod. And I like it. Looks pretty good. From China, you know. A little Chinese. But yeah, I'm liking the whole scheme. But yeah, again, if you like this, hit me with the like and subscribe. And we're going to do an intercooler this weekend, exhaust tomorrow, and also a blow-off valve on the Symposer delete. So I did a Symposer delete on this already, but I actually am getting a blow-off valve, all used for a pretty good deal. But I'm going to get the blow-off valve that goes in place of the Symposer delete, and that'll probably sound really good. A little turbo smart.